Bitcoin just broke below $70,000, the level it had held for most May. And Ethereum is sitting dangerously close to $1,800. So if you've been watching markets this week, you know it's scary. But I want to show you exactly what levels matter, what I'm watching on the charts, and what all of this means for people like us who are building wealth for our families. Let's start with Bitcoin. And here's the current picture as of right now. Bitcoin topped out at over $120,000 in October 2025, and that was the cycle peak. Since then, we have been in a correction. We are currently trading around $65,000 to $66,000. So here are some key resistance levels that Bitcoin needs to break to go back up. $72,000, this is the 30-day EMA now acting as a resistance. Now let's talk about the support levels. If Bitcoin closes below $66,000 on a daily candle, that is a bearish signal. The next major support is 64,939. Now, why do I think we could see this going even further down? There are three reasons. Number one is RSI. Right now, Bitcoin's RSI is around 21.84. That means it is deeply oversold, but oversold doesn't mean it bounces immediately. It can stay oversold in a downtrend. Number two, we broke the daily uptrend channel from February, and that's a technical breakdown signal. Number three is the macro environment. Fed is holding interest rates higher for long periods of time. And we just saw 1.44 billion in weekly ETF outflow. And Iran geopolitical issue is spooking institutional. So when big money leaves, Bitcoin follows. So when we say Bitcoin going to $63,000, it's possible. It's a very real possibility. And honestly, as a long-term investor, I welcome it. Now let's talk about Ethereum. Currently, Ethereum is around 1,834. And here's what the chart is telling us. Since we're already around 1,800, I believe the next level that we should be watchful is 1,600 to 1,650. That is the deeper support. Right now, Ethereum's RSI is around 33.56. It's approaching to the levels where it's going to be oversold. Right now, it's not. The 50-day and 200-day EMA are both above price. That means Ethereum is in short-term bearish territory. The one catalyst to watch for Ethereum specifically is the Glamsterdam upgrade coming in June 2026. Network upgrades don't necessarily pump the price right away. So watch for that as a potential turning point. So here's what I'm doing personally. I sold my crypto almost a month ago, and when I did it, people said I was crazy. But I did it watching the macros, I watched the Fed, I looked at the charts, and I made my decision to move to the sidelines and wait for a better entry. And right now, I'm watching the exact same levels that I showed it to you. I'm not buying yet. I want to see if Bitcoin and Ethereum can hold the support levels. Because if those levels break, there could be more downside ahead. I'd rather buy lower than rushing in and then catching a falling knife. And by the way, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a mom trying to share my journey of building wealth. And I'm sharing it with you guys as I'm doing it. Drop a comment and let me know if you guys are holding, buying the dip, or waiting just like me. I read every comment, so please let me know. Also, if you like my content, please subscribe my channel. Because in my next video, I'm going to break down where are we in the Bitcoin cycle, what the Ethereum Bitcoin ratio is telling me, and why I believe we could see a real bottom by the end of 2026. Thank you for watching. I'll see you there.